Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to install Google Analytics to monitor your audience behavior and conversions. Also, you are going to learn the importance of Google Analytics and the benefit of using Google Analytics. So, let's get started. First of all, we are going to learn about the importance of Google Analytics, like why Google Analytics is important or why you should use it. Number one, understand visitor behavior. You can see how user interact with your site, like page visited, time spent, and bounce rate. Number two, track conversion. You can easily monitor likes from submission, product purchase, and download. Number three, audience insight. Learn demographics, device, location, and interest of your visitor. Number four, optimize marketing campaigns. Know which traffic source, for example, Google, Facebook, email, bring most of the value. Then you can decide where you should run or start a campaign and where you should spend your money for marketing and which platform will be best for you. Number five, improve website performance. You can easily identify high exist pages or user drop up point and fix them just installing or adding Google Analytics on your website or submitting your website in Google Analytics. Now we are going to learn about the benefit of using Google Analytics. So I have divided with two parts. Part 1, benefit and the description. So first of all, Google Analytics is free and powerful. It's completely free and highly scalable. Number 2, custom goal. You can track what's matter, purchase, sign up or etc. Real time tracking. See current user on your website. I'll show you and you can see it in my video, so don't worry about that. Enhance e-commerce report. You can get deep insight into product performance. And finally, Google Ads integration. Link to ad for better ROI, that's mean return of investment. And now we are going to learn how to set up Google Analytics account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create a Google Analytics account by click on this link analytics.google.com. I have the account already in here, so I don't have to create any new account. We have to click on the star measuring, add account name, property name, your website name, select time zone and currency and click on the next. So we're going to skip number 1 and number 2 and start from number 3. So when you have completed creating Google Analytics account, then you have to click on the settings. I have click on the settings, and when you click on the settings in admin panel, then click create, then click on the account, and in the account section you have to add account names. Recently I have published a full video guideline how to create an e-commerce website without any coding skill, without any previous experience, using Elementor, Page Builder and eCommerce, and this is the website. You will get the full video guideline in my YouTube channel. This is a complete video course and totally free. So we are going to set up Google Analytics account for this website. This website name is Hobbygun's online shop. So I'm going to write this website name in the account name, Hobbygun's online shop. Okay, this is the account name and this is the account name and it's required, and you can write account name same as your website name, then you can understand very easily. Because when you have add multiple account or website or create multiple website in your Google Analytics, then you can easily understand which account for which website. Okay, then scroll down, click on the next, then property name, keep it same as Hobbygun's online shop. Okay, then time zone, I'm going to add time zone. Okay, then add currency. Okay, click on the next, and then we have to select the industry. Select industry, e-commerce not available, so we select business. Business size small, click on the next, and here we have to choose our business objective: drive sales, generate leads, understand web and apps traffic, view user engagement. This is our objective. Then click on the create, scroll down, agree, I accept. Okay, now we have to start collecting data, so click on the choose platform, and we have to add our website. Check it very carefully. We have to skip HTTP, just keep it as it. Okay, then stream name, keep it same. You can add different name based on your interest. Okay, okay, looks good. Then click on the create and continue button. Okay, and you see no data received in first 48 hours, so click on the web. Okay, and we can install manually, very easy process. Click on here, copy this code, and we have to go to our website admin panel. So I'm going to my website admin panel. So you have to log in your website admin panel or dashboard. Here is my website admin panel. Then click on appearance, or put your mouse on appearance, then click on theme file editor. Very simple process. And then open header.php file. This is the theme header file. Looks very carefully. Open this file, theme.php file, and add this code before end of WP head. Paste it and click on the update. So simple process. We have to wait a little bit time. Okay, file edited successfully. Then click on the test installation. Wow, your Google tag was correctly detected on your site. That's mean we have successfully installed the Google Analytics code. Click on the confirm. Okay, and we have to wait a little bit time to get the real update data in our Google Analytics account. So we have completed the total process, and I hope you understand everything very easily and very quickly, and I believe you can do it by yourself. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.